So here on this page, if we add a new item, it will appear with a fade-in effect. So a new item. There you go. However, if we click an item, it will disappear immediately. There is no animation. Let's have a look. See? They disappear immediately. So let me show you how to implement a fade out effect here. Back to our component, in the animations metadata property, we defined a trigger called fade. In this trigger, we have a transition from the void state to the default state. Now we want to define another transition from the default state to the void state. Because when we click an item, it's going to be removed from the DOM. At this point, it will go from the default state to the void state. So here, I'm going to define a second transition. Transition from the default state to the void state. And here are the steps. During this transition, we want to change the opacity of this element from 1 to 0 over a period of time. And this will make the element fade out. So, because we want to change the style over a period of time, we're going to call the animate function. So animate, we give it a timing value, let's say 2000 milliseconds, and then we set the style. So we want to change the opacity to 0 over 2 seconds. That's all we have to do. Let's test this. Back in the browser, I'm going to click this item. Now it fades out. Here's another example. Beautiful.